Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com and welcome to this Rebrandmagz review. Now for those of you out there looking for a really great way in order to give your audience some really great free products, or to give your audience some lead magnets that you can put on landing pages and have them alternate every month, and also make more money in a kind of ninja way, this product might be right up your alley. So basically, in a nutshell, what Rebrandmagz is a monthly magazine that's coming out, a 60-page magazine that is suited to the make money online niche. So it will include new products, it'll include everything people who are trying to make money online need to know. What you will get is you will receive that magazine, but not only that, you'll be able to completely customize it, the name, the pictures, the branding, the affiliate links, everything, so that it essentially becomes your magazine. You can keep all the content, you have rights to everything. Now, why is that good? Well, basically, if you use that as any kind of lead magnet or bonus item, like I'm gonna show you some bonuses later, when people buy the product and then they also receive that as a bonus, or whether they get that as a lead magnet from your landing page, they're gonna go through, they're gonna read it, and they're gonna get a lot of information out of it. Now, let's say, for example, there's an article in there about how to set up a blog, right? And they're reading how to set up a blog, and they're like, great, and they follow it to a T, and maybe step one is like, okay, find a host. Bluehost is doing a discount right now, click this link. So they click that link and they go to Bluehost, and they sign up with Bluehost. Guess what? That link can be your affiliate link. So now you're getting commission from their sign up to Bluehost. Then they keep going, and maybe the article says, sign up, get this theme, and maybe you're an affiliate. You become affiliate of a theme website, you become affiliate of Thrive Themes, you become an affiliate of everything that people need, GetResponse, ClickFunnels. You become an affiliate of everything, which is easy enough, anybody can become an affiliate, and then you put those in amongst these articles, so if anybody reads them, you're getting affiliate commissions from anything they click on in that magazine. And because you're giving it away for free, and because you can even give it away monthly for free, because with Rebrandmagz, they're going to give you a new magazine every month, 60-page magazine. If you give that away every month for free to a mailing list of, say, 1,000 people or 100 people, and they're going through and maybe they click the odd link here and they think, it's like basically putting out, how many products could you put in a magazine? Let's say 10. It's like putting 10 of these videos out that I'm doing in one magazine every month, but with just a lot less work. So the potential is just massive, because people are gonna go through these magazines every month and your affiliate links are all through it, just like you would do on a blog or something, and they're gonna be clicking on them if they find that the content that is already written by professional marketers is good, and those people know how to write copy. They know how to write content most likely better than you or I. Okay, so there's a lot of power in this product. So we're going to quickly run through some bonuses that I've also gotten for you that are going to help you, for example, drive traffic and manage your email list and things like that. So before we get into that, please drop a like on this video and hit subscribe and turn on that little bell notification. Now, I encourage you, if at any step that you want to jump ahead, if you want to jump ahead now and check out Rebrandmagz, that you go through the link in the description. That way you'll come through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And it is integrated with the Rebrandmagz vendor sales page. So what that means is, rather than go direct to their sales page, if you go through to my bonus page and click on any of these green buttons, it will essentially lock in all of these bonuses, so that if you do decide to purchase Rebrandmagz, you will not only get that, but you'll get all these bonuses thrown in a big bundle, and that's only exclusive to that link in the description. So the first bonus is called Evergreen Leads, and this is going into what I just mentioned, lead generation. Okay, so let's say you have a landing page and you've got Rebrandmagz and you're all set up and you're looking forward to getting leads and getting, commissions from what you've put in your magazine. This goes into SEO. It goes into proactively getting out there on social media and getting traffic. It goes into just every means of getting traffic and also setting up an online business. But actually the golden nuggets in here, even though it goes from A to Z of setting up an online business, the golden nuggets are really in getting the leads and the traffic, which is what I think most people get stuck on. The second bonus is biz landing page and list generating squeeze pages. So I mentioned landing pages. I mentioned using Rebrandmagz as a lead magnet. You might have been thinking, but I don't know how to create a landing page. Well, I've got 2 landing page plugins here. So if you, just get your hosting and your simple WordPress site set up, you can add these plugins to your WordPress site, and you've got, landing pages that can be set up without any development or programming knowledge, and also little squeeze pages with list up. So these are both really great plugins that you can use and just take all that heavy lifting out of it so you can just get going. Bonus number 3 is called Email Marketing Excellence. So you're going to be getting leads. If you are going to use it as a lead magnet, actually, even if you're going to use this Rebrandmagz as a bonus, you're going to start building that email list. Super important. It's a massive component of any online business. This teaches you how to market to that email list in a good way. It goes into topics, goes into wording, goes into copy, goes into how to do proper call to actions. It goes into, ideal length of emails. It goes into everything you need to know about sending quality emails that drive sales. Bonus number 4, I've gotten you a 2-part bonus again. So it's 2 really good copywriting copywriting books that I recommend, and I've just thrown them together because each one, touches on copy in a different way. And because copy is considered one of those high income skills, you can never get too much information on it. Knowing how to trigger emotions in people and compel them to buy, an absolutely incredible skill, and one that you should always be training. So you're going to get a lot out of that. It can go into your landing pages. You can apply it to just anything. You can apply it to however you edit Rebrandmagz as well. So, Bonus number 5 I've gotten for you is the vendor has given me full access to the vendor bonuses to give to you. Now, really quickly, here are what they are. Bonus number 1, Fearless Netrepreneur Digital Publishing Toolkit. So pause the screen. There's a quick description there. Fearless PLR Profit Hijack. We've got Fearless Mega Profit. We've got Deadly Mistakes to Avoid at All Costs. We've got Fearless Netrepreneur Guide to Internet Marketing Success. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step 1. Again, link in the description. You'll come through to this page, lock in your bonuses first before then launching you off to the vendor sales page, which looks like this. So go through this as well and just read up on it and see if it's something that you want to use. And if you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt. It looks like this. Under the green button will be Rebrandmagz. Under the blue button, all the bonuses that I just mentioned. My email's here if you have any problems. Keep your eye on this countdown timer though. This is a launch week special, I should have said at the beginning. So when this hits 0, the bonuses will no longer be available, or any discount pricing that gets activated through my link as well. Now, really quickly, if we look at the pricing, pretty simple. So the front end is basically full 60-page plus rebrandable white label internet marketing magazine that you can get $97 a year, $37 a month. One-time offer number 1 is a pack of 5 brandable white label magazines in 5 different niches. So if you're in another niche, like a fitness niche or something, you can do the same thing. You can offer your audience the same kind of stuff. $67 monthly, $197 for 12 editions again. One-time offer number 2 is Rebrander software that helps you to just basically do rebranding in a more streamlined kind of way. And one-time offer number 3 is Rebrand Concierge. So they will rebrand it for you. If you pay $69 a month or $99 for a 5-pack, which means 5 magazines, they'll do all the branding for you with everything, to do with you and your business. So a lot of value here. I'm going to definitely get involved in when it comes out later today. If you do have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments, my email, or my social media. I do reply to absolutely everybody. I should also say before we close out, is you do only need the front end to get access to all the bonuses. So don't feel like you need the one-time offers, but if you think it's going to help you, then definitely get them. But to get the bonuses, you do need only the front end, and to get in before that countdown timer is 0. If you check out the page and it's not 0, it means I've adjusted it back up and there's still time, so be there or be square. Yes, hit me up in the comments. I reply to everybody. And if not, I hope you love Rebrandmagz, hope you love the bonuses, and see you on the next video. Take care.